Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a black background on your Instagram story. First, open up your Instagram app. You'll see your feed, but what you want to do is swipe left to go into stories. At this point, your camera will be active, so you don't have a background yet. Now, here's what you need to do. Tap on the two A's icon at the left to create a text story. Once you do that, you'll see a background appear, but usually it starts out yellow. Here's the trick to changing it. Look at the small circle in the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and the background color will change. It might go from yellow to pink, then to white, and if you tap one more time, you'll get the black background. If you want to add a photo on top of this black background, just tap on the gallery icon at the bottom. Pick any photo you like and resize it as needed. You'll notice that behind your photo, the background stays solid black, and that's it. Super simple way to add a black background to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.